Hello everybody, and welcome to the Trading Learning 101 Discord server. In this welcome video, I'm going to show you the steps that you have to take to verify yourself to get access to the Trading Learning 101 Discord. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the invite link, you're going to join the server, and you're going to get greeted with the welcome card. You could see you have no access to any of the channels besides the start here. Go through the start here, read through the welcome screen, the roles, the rules, private tutoring, merchandise, and the disclaimer. Once you've read through and accept all of these rules and the disclaimer, head on over to the private messages and open up this little bot right here. And what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to click on this link right here to prove that you are not a bot. So let's open this link up, and you're going to click on this checkbox, I'm not a robot, and then click continue, and then can now return to the Discord. Close that screen out, head back over to the Discord, and you can see you now have access to all of the channels. If you head back up to the welcome screen, you can get a reaction roll by simply reacting to the Me6 message right here. React to the Me6 to get an additional roll. All I ask is to respect everybody. This is not a stock alert service. Have fun, post your ideas, post your trades, share, grow, and chat with other traders. This is a great community, and I plan on growing this community more and more each day. If you wish to send me a private message, you can find me under the username Mr.Wolf. And I will add, the more active you are in this Discord, the more you will get rewarded. So the more you text and chat in all of these channels, you're going to level up. The first level, you're an active member. The second level, you're an experienced member. And level 3, you are a veteran member. Feel free to go through all of these channels. There's a bunch of great educational content that you can learn and grow as a trader and an investor. I have the bot command list right here, so you can simply learn all of the bot commands. And if you're going to use the stock bot, please keep the stock bot in the appropriate channel. Just below the stock talk, other subjects, I have bot chart lookup. You can use the bot as much as you want in this channel and try to keep it in this channel. Through the week, Monday through Friday, I have a chat room for every day of the week. The Traders Lounge is where traders hang out, talk about random subjects, and I have a daily watch list that I try to post every single morning. One channel that you can check out is the Trading Buddy. Write a brief description about yourself, where you're from, what are you into, trading strategies, what do you like to trade, and go through and read other traders' bios. You see somebody that you like and has similar interests, send them a message, become friends, and a trading buddy. Somebody to help you stick to your rules, and somebody to talk to one-on-one about trading. Again, welcome to the Trading Learning 101 community. I hope you have a great time in this Discord server. I put a lot of hard work and dedication into this server to grow a great community. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. There are a lot of great people in this server. And until next time, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study.